morning, everybody. Backfill inspection went good. Everything's ready to go. I'm gonna take this pile here, go put it all in here, and I'm going to get some bank run gravel. Be filling this whole thing up. 2 more trucks to haul off here. We consolidated it all, and these guys are cutting in the concrete walls to walk into the basement. I'll give you a video of that after them guys cutting that if I'm around. All right, I'm going to get the dump truck. All right, guys, Miko's got this backfilled looking nice. That was with the pile we had left over. Got the blue foam in here. That's gonna work. These guys are saw cutting this. We're just saw cutting the doorway in. That's pretty cool. Big blade. All right, we're gonna dump right here. And I'll load this load out. So I do a round robin. Take one out, bring one back. Take one out, bring one back. All right. Just about lunch. Got this outside going in. Still got to fill this porch. Got to fill this porch and compact it up in lifts right in here. And guys are finished all cutting the hole over here. They're gonna drop it out. Well, they're gonna take it out with the a concrete chainsaw right there. Since he's got those shims, he'll bounce it out and then we'll lift it out with the excavator. All right, my people, just after lunch, there is the slabs. Door opening is cut. There she is. Now we gotta lift them out. starting to fill this up. Tape the foam up like we did on previous jobs, straddling those. We'll get this up a foot or so above that footing and then pound it with the whacker packer. Put her up in a couple lifts. All right, I don't know if we'll have enough. We got enough to fill this, but we still got a void over there by the AC, so I might have to go get another truckload. Let them get this up a little bit before I make that call. Guys, just loading out the last debris here. We just broke up the concrete in the basement where the opening was, and this is the last pile of garbage, and we'll go over to that clean fill site that takes concrete. So yeah, Miko's compacting that over there, and I'm gonna load this out, go get another load of gravel. On the last load here, 5 for the day to backfill this foundation. Probably only going to take half of this. This is all we got here. Miko's got that topped off. We'll hit that with the plate tamper to seal the top of that in the morning. Yeah, so we got here probably a half load anyways, but dump her off. I'll set you right here. Enjoy. end of the day. Got this all secure, backfilled, boom, 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 boom. Everything's still got a half a load on the truck, so that worked out. Everything is up to grade. This is gonna get plate tamped in the morning. The top, we brought it up in lifts with the whacker packer. We'll smooth the top out with a plate, and then they're gonna put radiant in this, form it up, some foam, and then we'll pour that top and pour this basement Thursday. Get rid of the road plate. We're gonna take this hump here, put it over the septic, blend everything here, and we're done on this one. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.